This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning, and we're at number 803 through 807 2nd Ave, Berlin, New Hampshire. Removed a large amount of roots growing inside the pipe, old clay pipe, probably close to 100 years old. There is a lot of shifts in the pipe. There is a couple questionable joints. We got the roots cut back probably 99%. The pipe is wide open, so we're going to start performing the inspection from the city sewer connection, which we're parked on right now, about 34 feet in total from the clean out all the way out to the city sewer. So we're going to start heading back towards the building now. And drop right into the city, and that connection is good. A little bit of old grease buildup inside there, and that connection is good. That connection is good. That connection that we just passed there is good. A little bit of shift in that pipe right there, but they probably did that to try to make it bend a little bit, but in not bad shape. That connection is good. This purple looking clay pipe is older pipe, so there has been repairs throughout the years, don't know. But this, the orange stuff is relatively newer, probably from anywhere from like the 30s to right up into the 80s and recent. This purple stuff here was probably 80 plus years old. And here we are. There was a massive root right here. As you can see, the pipe is misjointed a little bit, allowing the roots to grow in there. This is going to be kind of expected for a sewer of this age on a main road, dealing with possibly 100 years of frost heaves. And that connection right there is in good shape. That connection right there is also in good shape. The clay is going to be 2-foot sections. Right here, there was another massive root infestation right here. You can only cut the roots back so much on some of these things, because what happens is as the blades are rotating inside there, it pushes a little bit of the root back inside the bell hub, and it's always going to keep popping back out. So it's basically very, very thin, and it's going to take a while for that to grow back. Roots are like getting a haircut, they do grow back. And hit this section right here. We got a really good cut on this one. Another section of massive root infestation. Right here was another joint. As you can see, there's a little bit of shift in there, and the roots are caught up inside the bell hub, but they're cut back good, and that should take a while for that to back up again or grow. Right here was a thick root joint, and this is at about 12 feet out. Yep, right about 12 feet out. Zero that in on that a little bit better. So yeah, just about 12 feet out. There was a massive root right here. As you can see, the inside of the hub, we got that cut down quite a bit. But like I said, those roots do kind of jump up inside that hub, and there's no way of getting all of that. But that's open a lot more than it was. That was completely choked off, and you'd see that in the video. And right here at 11 feet, you were able to see, we couldn't even pass the camera through that section right there. There is definitely some shift going on in the pipe right there. Roots are probably grabbing hold of that pipe and causing it to shift on top of probably another 80 years of frost heaves. And we're coming back. Right here, as you can see, there's a little bit of bell shift in that hub. The roots are all cut out of there, but not too bad. And that connection is in good shape. It looks like a 1-foot connection that they used. And right up on that upper, if you're looking at it, would be your right-hand corner, is a slight crack, but not too bad. Right here is the worst spot. There's definitely some pipe drop going on right here. Let's zero that in. This is probably going to be right underneath the foundation, which is typical from the house settling on top of it. As you can see, there's roots growing inside that pipe right there. You can see part of that clay pipe is broken, and there is a drop trying to meet grade down there. So it was probably washing some water out over the years, and the pipe started to drop. So I'll advance forward a little bit with the camera, and you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Water goes down the pipe, and it drops right here. You can kind of see a little bit of break on the bottom right there. And yeah, that root is really going through there. So there's not much life left to this. This part should be replaced. If you dig that outside there, I'd recommend also putting an outside clean out also while you have that open. This is going to fail at some point. And we are coming back. And we're back into the cast iron, which probably is original to the building. Looks to be probably about 100 years old as well. The pitting doesn't seem too bad. And we're getting ready to come into the PVC pipe where all the new plumbing was installed. So we're coming out of the clean out here. And that's my cutter head for cutting the roots. There's your clean out right here. These are the wash machines. You want to say hello?
Okay.
So that just, and there's your furnace and everything, and that just proves that this is actually the sewer pipe for 803 through 807 2nd Ave, Berlin, New Hampshire. And this concludes the inspection and cleaning.